Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can change your email address on Facebook. So let's jump on it. First, open Facebook. Now on the top right corner, click on the menu and then scroll down. And on the settings and privacy, click on that and then expand it. Now click on settings. Now let's click on Meta Account Center. Under account settings, click on the personal details. Now click on contact info. Now on the bottom here you will see add new contact. Click on that. Now let's click on add email. Now you need to enter your new email address. Now let's click on done. Choose account for this email. So let's select. Now let's click on next. Now you need to verify your email address. So after add confirmation code, then your email will be verified. Then click on continue. So after that, you will be able to remove the current email address. So this is how you can change your email address on Facebook. So hope that this video help you out. If this video help you out, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel.